You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more confusing vocabulary, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you enjoy learning. This is a word both in French and in Spanish, meaning the feminine version of it, la. Both in French and Spanish, la is how it is said. Now if you're looking for LA, that's Los Angeles in California, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.